A very good morning, everyone. Today we are going to talk about our reader lesson number 8. The name is Five Chums and the Hacker. First of all, we should know the meaning of these two words, chums and hacker. Chums means very close friends or fast friends, whereas hacker means a person who works on somebody's computer network without taking permission, or to access someone's computer information by hacking someone's computer, and this is a crime and unauthorized work. So let's see what is there in the story, which is full of secret and suspense. So let's start it. The story has been divided into 4 parts, and the first 2 parts we are going to discuss today, and next 2 parts we will discuss tomorrow. So in the beginning of the story, one of the 5 chums, Bill, she is busy doing some work on computer, developing a program, and all of a sudden she gets information on phone that Aunt Stephanie has fainted in Mr. Subramaniam's flat. And this information, this message has been given to her by Nishat, and he is also one of the 5 chums. Means let's see that who are the 5 close friends over here. One is Bill, other is Nishat, and one more picture you can see there is a girl standing near Bill, and she is Basanti, and she was overhearing. She was not able to know clearly that what was the message, but they were in hurry, so Bill told her, just come with me, I will tell you everything later. So let's see that what had happened to Aunt Stephanie, because she was having a very serious condition that time. So they just left, and they wanted to help Aunt Stephanie, where other 5 chums are also waiting for them. So now what happens the next? When they reached at the place, and they saw that Aunt Stephanie, she was in a very bad condition. She was heaving, thrashing, muttering. Heaving means speaking with lots of efforts. She was not able to speak properly. Thrashing means moving her arms and legs violently. Means she was hurt, and she was in such a bad health कि वो जो है अपने आर्म्स एंड लेग्स बहुत ज़ोर ज़ोर से इधर उधर जो है वो हिला रही थी. Muttering means speaking in very low tone, which was not clear, and that was the condition of Aunt Stephanie. And Mr. Subramaniam, who was his neighbor, he rang up 2 dozen ambulances because he became nervous, और उन्होंने जो है 2 dozen ambulances के लिए फ़ोन कर दिया. And it took around 10 minutes to take Mrs. Stephanie towards to the ambulance. Means her condition was not fine. So this was the condition of Aunt Stephanie, and she was taken to the hospital. So this is part 1. Now part 2. In part 2, now what happened? Next Sunday, the next day Sunday, they had a gathering, they had a meeting at the attic. Attic means the room or a space just below the roof on the top floor of a building, right? And they were having a meeting over there, and the agenda and the main idea of the meeting was that they wanted to know that what could be the reason behind Aunt Stephanie's this condition. So they were just discussing that what could be the reason behind it, कि Aunt Stephanie जो है वो इतनी एकदम से जो unconscious हो गई, faint हो गई, what could be the reason behind it. So first of all, they were just guessing कि शायद हो सकता है she got a bad news, and at the same time निशात से हो सकता है वो bad news उनके friend के बारे में हो किसी के, and Basanti said her life, हो सकता है उनकी life को भी कोई threatening हो सकती है, किसी ने उनको डराया हो, that might be the reason. And Nishat said, how do you know this? कि तुम्हें कैसे मालूम कि उनकी life के लिए कोई threatening हो सकती है? She kept saying, he will get me, he will get me. तो बसंती बोलती है कि मैंने उनको बोलते हुए सुना है कि कोई मुझे पकड़ लेगा, कोई मुझे he will get me. Everybody was stunned. सब हैरान रह गए ये सुन के. They were surprised कि ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है. They wanted to investigate. They wanted to find out the truth. For that, उन्होंने क्या किया, दे जस्ट वेंट टू द गेट कीपर एंड दे जस्ट आस्क हिम, they asked him कि whether he had seen some strange person visiting Aunt Stephanie recently. So what was the response of gatekeeper? He just said that he didn't see any strange person. He was very much confident about this. So next they asked Mr. and Mrs. Bose who stayed next door. उनके घर के आगे next वाले घर में ही वो रहते थे. So they wanted to ask them कि did they hear anything disturbing in Aunt Stephanie's house? And they also said no. Now they concluded that the reason behind whatever bad news she might have got, that can be on phone she must have heard. Okay, because no strange person came to her house and she also didn't go out anywhere. So that's why they concluded this, that Aunt Stephanie might have got some bad news on phone. Up next they wanted to ask Aunt Stephanie also. So they went to her house and Aunt Stephanie, she was just lying in a pink robe. एक लूज सा पिंक कलर का गारमेंट उन्होंने पहना हुआ था और एक नैरो बेड पे, लेस वाइड बेड के ऊपर वो लेटी हुई थी. They wanted to ask her कि was she scared of anybody? So what did she say when she heard this? She said कि someone, she sobbed, वो रोते रोते बोली, someone is watching me all the time, कि कोई मुझे बहुत ही पास से देखता रहता है and he says he will kill me. Oh, I am so scared. She said कि मुझे तो इतना डर लगता है कि वो मुझे बार बार बोलता रहता है कि वो मुझे मार देगा. Now the children, all the 5 chums, they were surprised to know this. And Aunt Stephanie told them कि वो जो है, even he just keep a close watch on me. वो बोलती हैं कि मेरे को इतने पास से देखता है कि उसको ये भी पता लग जाता है कि what I cooked, what I said, what message I sent and even what I think. तो सारे के सारे 5 chums जो हैं, they were shocked कि how is it possible. अब जो है Aunt Stephanie ये भी बताती हैं कि a few days back she sent a message to his son about the money, or the person he called Aunt Stephanie and asked her next day only कि what is she going to do with that money, कि वो क्या करने वाली है उस पैसों से. So everybody was stunned, everybody was shocked to know this, कि कैसे जो है उस पर्सन को ये पता लग जाता है कि whatever messages she is sending to anybody. अब क्या होता है, the 5 chums asked her कि क्या आपने लेटर लिखा था, you might be reading your letters. So Aunt Stephanie said, no, I didn't write a letter, I wrote an email. How can someone know what she thinks? अब नॉटी सोचती है कि किसी को ये कैसे, कोई ईमेल तो पढ़ लेगा, लेटर भी पढ़ लेगा, लेकिन ये कैसे पता लगेगा कि what somebody is thinking. Now they wanted to know कि what secret could be there behind this all. अब क्या होता है, now they wanted to find it out, and they have decided that they will be observing Aunt Stephanie's house. They will be looking, searching for it, that if there is any clue in her house, and that we are going to read in part 3. So part 1 and part 2 we have covered today. So please read these 2 parts and understand the story. We will continue it tomorrow. So that's all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.